Tesla stock has not broken down, but it has not confirmed a strong recovery either. And right now, the real question is not whether Tesla can break above $416. The real question is much simpler. Can Tesla hold $400 first? Hi everyone, this is Ken. In my previous analysis, I said the next key level for Tesla stock was around $416. That was because Tesla had bounced from the $390 area, recovered above $400, and started to approach the zone where the 20-day and 200-day moving averages were sitting. At that point, the chart looked like it was preparing to challenge a major resistance area. But now, the situation has changed a little. Tesla dropped once again, touched the $384 area, and then recovered back toward $400. So today, I want to focus on one simple question. Before Tesla even thinks about $416, can it protect $400? Let's start with the most important point. The $400 level is now the short-term battlefield. For Tesla investors, this is not just a round number. It is a psychological level. When Tesla is above $400, the market can still say the recovery is alive. But if Tesla clearly loses $400, the chart could quickly shift back toward testing the $390 area again. So, in my view, $400 is the first line that matters, not $416, not $430, not $450. First, Tesla needs to prove that buyers are willing to defend this area. Now, let's look at the moving averages. The 50-day moving average is around $402. That is very close to where Tesla is trading now. This is important because the 50-day average often shows whether a stock is regaining short-term strength or still being rejected. In the previous setup, Tesla had briefly moved above the 50-day line. That made the move toward $416 look more realistic, but this time, Tesla is struggling right around that same area. So the message from the chart is clear. Tesla needs to reclaim $402 and stay above it. If it cannot do that, the recovery remains weak. The next zone is around $413 to $416. The 20-day moving average is near $413. The 200-day moving average is near $416. This means the resistance we discussed last time has not disappeared. It is still there. But Tesla is not fighting that battle yet. This is where many investors make a mistake. They look too far ahead. They focus on the breakout before the stock has even rebuilt support. In my view, the correct order is simple. Hold $400. Reclaim $402, test $413, then challenge $416. That sequence matters. Now let's talk about RSI. The 4-hour RSI is around 46. The daily RSI is around 47. Both are still below 50. This tells us that Tesla is not in a strong bullish momentum phase yet. At the same time, it is not in an extreme oversold condition either. So the RSI is giving us a neutral to slightly weak signal. That is why price action matters even more here. If RSI moves back above 50 while Tesla holds $400, that would be a healthier sign. But right now, the chart is still in confirmation mode. Next, let's look at volume delta and trading volume. On the 4-hour chart, volume delta has recently turned positive. That suggests some buyers are stepping in around the $400 area. This is a good sign. It tells us that the market is not simply giving up on Tesla here, but daily volume still does not look like a powerful wave of buying. So my interpretation is this: selling pressure may be easing, buyers may be coming back slowly, but we do not yet have enough evidence to say a strong uptrend has restarted. So what should Tesla investors watch from here? I think there are three key levels. The first is $400. This is the most important support level right now. If Tesla holds this level, the recovery scenario remains alive. But if it breaks clearly below $400, the next area to watch is around $390. The second zone is $402 to $413. This is the recovery zone. Tesla needs to move above the 50-day moving average near $402. Then it needs to push toward the 20-day moving average near $413. If Tesla can move through this zone, the chart will start to look stronger. But if it keeps getting rejected here, the market may remain cautious. The third level is $416. This is still the major resistance level. The 200-day moving average is sitting around this area. If Tesla breaks above $416 and holds it, the technical picture would improve a lot. But I do not want to rush that conclusion. Right now, Tesla has not reached that stage yet. The first test is still $400. So here is my view. Tesla stock has not collapsed. That is important. But it has also not confirmed a strong recovery. The chart is still stuck between support and resistance. If Tesla can defend $400, reclaim the 50-day average, and then move toward $416, the bullish case becomes stronger. But if $400 fails, the market may quickly return to a more defensive mood. That is why I think the next few trading sessions are very important. For Tesla owners and long-term investors, this is not about reacting emotionally to every small move. It is about understanding where the market is making decisions. Right now, that decision point is around $400. If buyers defend it, Tesla gets another chance to recover. If they do not, the chart may need more time before the next real breakout attempt. So my focus is very clear. Before I get excited about $416, I want to see Tesla protect $400 first. What do you think? Is $400 the most important level right now? Or are you already watching the $416 breakout? Let me know in the comments. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Life in the Future. I post daily Tesla updates so you can follow the key news, charts, and long-term investment themes in one place. Thanks for watching, and let's keep enjoying life with Tesla. Before we wrap up, let me take a moment to introduce myself. I drive a Tesla Model Y, and at home I've installed a Tesla Powerwall, so I actually charge my car with solar energy. I truly believe Tesla is shaping the future, and that's why I share the latest news and insights here on this channel. I'm from Japan, but I want to connect with Tesla fans all around the world. That's why I also create an English version of my videos. YouTube now lets you switch the audio into your own language, so you can enjoy it in whatever language you prefer. Most of all, I'd love to connect with Tesla fans everywhere so we can support Tesla together. I also share updates on X, so feel free to follow me there and let's connect. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.